Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I got a very special video for you guys. Today I took my mom on a ride around our area. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. I'll see you guys.
All right, we're out. I got my mom used to the bike. She's back there. Literally, when we were moving the bike, she had to go up a step to get the bike out of the house, and she pulled the throttle way too hard and it looped the bike. So now her bars are like gone. How are we doing? That's fine. There we go. All right, so you gonna go? I don't know. Okay, well, I'll go around. She said no. Unfortunate. All right, we're gonna try to bring her into the wash. Is she following? Put this John in reverse. There we go. Let's see how she does on this little baby hill incline. Yeah. I'm ready, Jen. What do you want, 1 or 2?
I don't know what that means.
I'm gonna put you in 2. It means like the motor's gonna brake for you. Yeah. Okay.
I'm taller than that.
Yep. Let's get in front of her. Uh-oh. So yeah, I'm taking her to the little waterfall thing at the end of this. We've been there once when we went hiking, but it just gave her a different perspective, you know, going up there on a bike instead of actually physically walking, using her legs. Hello, puppy. Hello.
He wants to know where you've been.
Not very far. Not very far.
All right, we made it. The little waterfall. It's not really waterfalling because it's just turned fall, so it's not technically wet season. Live reaction. What do you think? All right, we're heading down from the waterfall now. I think I'm gonna take her up to the bigger track, or maybe somewhere up there, just to get a little more time on the bike for her. So then maybe we could do this again. You know, so far it's good. So far, so good. She hasn't left yet. Oh no. All right, so apparently she was just chilling up there. So now we're gonna head to the next spot. All right, we're gonna see how she does. Mach 50 right there. All right, we're coming up on the little thing you have to put your bike through. That was a drive. That was a did you even pick it up? Wow. Let's see how she does on this. Huh? Yeah, you just got to put your bars, twist them a little bit. Okay.
Hold the brake.
Yep.
Okay.
Thank you. There we go. Look, there's deer. Look. Alright, since there's like a cloud right here, we're really getting some raindrops on them. If you can't really see, got some rain. all over. So technically, first rain ride. Do you want to go down this trail?
No.
Oh. Okay.
Let's see.
Oh yeah, it is. All right, Mom's going down the hill. Let's see how it does. Cue the time lapse. Oh, the deer are back. Now I'm taking her to this little burnt down house. Let's see how she does this. You ready? 100% ready. Let's get a little in front of her. Easy. That. Let's see how she does it. Perfect. Do you want to try going down these stairs? You want to try going down these stairs?
No, I'm not going down the stairs.
Uh-oh. I'm going to go down the stairs. Yep.
Okay.
Yep. This happened to me last time. We're just gonna take, huh?
Make a move.
No, it's just that curve, it gets you.
Thank you guys for staying to the end of the video. This means so much to me because it gets me views, and hopefully you can subscribe after this. I'll see you guys next week for the other video.